Hey guys, this is Elias from EK Aviation from 100. In this video I will show you how I installed the lights to make my airport look realistic. What makes it realistic is the exact distances of the lights. First I position the lights and then I complete the design. Parking slots, taxiways, gate of the terminals, cargo spot parkings and runway length of course. Let me show you why it is important to be exact with the lights. Look how realistic it looks. Okay, let me turn off the lights. Look how beautiful it is. After the design comes the drilling. I used the 0.75 diameter drill because I think the fiber optic at 0.80 it looks more realistic at a scale 400. Now it depends in your airport what scale you have, so count that. I put the fiber optic from the top because when I tried from underneath it was very difficult to find the holes. It is a very small diameter, so this is the way I've done it. To give the correct lighting and keep the budget low, I used the lamps which are spot LED lights and the result is perfect. It is very easy, just glue the fiber optic on the light with hot glue and with the duct tape keep it in place. It won't be pretty, but it works, it really works. Beside the ground lights, an airport has also floodlights, so I searched an Asian site that sell model lights and I found these street floodlights at low price. They are 3 volts and I give the power through an adapter. At the end of the video I have the products I used with the prices. For the terminal I used Christmas LED lights that I already had. You can see how I put them on the building. They are battery powered, 3.7 volts. It is warm white, which gives a very nice effect to the aircrafts at the terminal apron. Here are the products that I used for the lights for my model airport. Subscribe to my channel, I have some pre-orders to unbox and review. Until the next time guys, bye!